everyone, this is Yasava ma'am and welcome to GK class. I wholeheartedly welcome अपने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे and our respectful parents. चलिए, I will not wait. Let's have the quick summary of today's GK class. My dear children, today I went for page number 37 and page number 38. That means your topic of the day was outdoor games and indoor games. Now, my dear children, as you know, what is door? What is door? Daraza. In, inside, andar. Out, matlab bahar. That means those games which we play inside the door, or we can say in other words, those games which we play inside our home is called indoor games, and those games which we play outside the door, or you can say outside our home, those games are called outdoor games. Now I'm going to show you one by one. First, take the topic outdoor games. So this is your outdoor games. Now quickly summarize all the topic. Outdoor games are the games which we play outside our home. Now look at the first picture. Some children are playing with a ball. Where will you pass the ball? How? How do you pass the ball? There will be two teams. You will pass to each other and there will be net in between both the team. दो टीम होंगी, उनके बीच में एक नेट लगा होगा, हम लोग बॉल पास कर रहे होंगे. दिस गेम इज कॉल्ड वॉलीबॉल. याद करते इसको, वॉलीबॉल वॉलीबॉल वॉलीबॉल. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. Here you can say, see, here you can very well see. Some children are playing with the ball and this time you are hitting the ball and putting it inside one basket. देखिए बास्केट ग्राउंड है, वहाँ पे एक बास्केट बनी हुई है. बॉल को हम उछालते हैं और बास्केट में ट्राई करते हैं नीचे बाहर आ जाए. So this is called, because of this reason this is called basketball. इसको याद करते हैं. Let's learn it. Basketball, basketball, basketball. Now move to next. Aha, it's a very nice game. In between there will be net. You can see two people are playing. Between there is a net and beside both the net, or one side one person is playing and the other side another person. Both of them are passing one ball with the help of टेनिस रैकेट. टेनिस का रैकेट होता है, उससे आप पास कर रहे, ऐसे हिट कर करके. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? लॉन टेनिस. दिस टेनिस वी प्ले इन अवर लॉन. बाहर हम लोग मोस्टली लॉन में खेलते हैं. कभी कभी तो ऐसा होता है बहुत से लोग नाइट में खेलना पसंद करते हैं, तो लाइट बहुत सही लगा देते हैं लॉन में अपने, और शाम को या फिर नाइट में खेलते हैं. इसका लॉन टेनिस. ओके. Now move down to our next. This is a very lovely game, isn't it? You hit or you kick the ball. You kick the football. Yes, this game is nothing but none other than football. This is called football because we hit or we play the ball with the help of our foot. So this is called football. Let's learn it. Football, football, football. Now move to next. Uri Baba, what is this? Two people are playing and hitting each other. OMG, oh my god. Yes, this is called boxing. This is a game, but you have to play this game very carefully. Special gloves are meant while playing this game. The player has to wear the gloves and he or she has to wear the helmet so that he should not or she should not get injured. Okay, this is called boxing. Let's learn this game. Boxing, boxing, boxing. No, move down. Aha. Some children are playing with a stick, and please observe, kindly observe this stick. The shape of the stick is like J. J for J. The alphabet J. And there one ball. You have to hit that ball with the help of those that stick. There will be team. Both team will be playing with the ball by hitting that particular ball, and you have to make goal. And this game is called hockey. So this is called, let's learn the name, hockey. Hockey, hockey. Now next. What is this next? It's a cricket game. It's a very well, there will be team and you will be playing with the bat and ball. It's a very famous game. Just now we observed that game, IPL. Same game. It's called cricket. Now quickly revise this one by one. Volleyball, basketball, lawn tennis, football, boxing, hockey, cricket. Now quickly move to our indoor game. And page number 38, indoor games. Now, indoor games are games which we play inside our home. Okay. एंड आपको तो पता जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था तब मोस्टली हम लोगों ने ये गेम खेला था. हियर आई वांट टू सजेस्ट एंड इंस्ट्रक्ट यू माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, ट्राई टू अवॉइड प्ले लेस mobile game. That is also indoor game, but avoid that. Okay, now first is Ludo. Ludo, Ludo. Next, Carrom board. Carrom board, Carrom board. Now next is table tennis. Table tennis, table tennis. This is also like that lawn tennis, but the difference is this we play inside our home, or we can say inside our lawn, inside our home. And specialty here, this we play on the table. There will be table, in between the table there will be a small net and the same, and we have to use this bat. Small bat will be there, and we have to hit the ball to each other. Ping pong. This ball is called ping pong. The bat will be there, there will be ping pong. So it's called table tennis. Table tennis, table tennis. Next is badminton. Badminton, badminton, where there will be badminton racket and there will be shuttlecock. You have to use badminton racket and shuttlecock. It's called badminton. Badminton, badminton. Now quickly moved on to this game. It's a very famous game. There will be one area that is called target point, and we have to target one point and hit the dart. डार्ट से हम लोग निशाना लगाते हैं. It's called target and dart. Next is billiard or snooker. There will be table. On the table some balls will be there, and we have to hit those balls with the help of one stick, and those ball runs and goes down to the holes in the this board. It's called billiard or snooker. Billiard or snooker. Billiard or snooker. Next, chessboard. Chessboard, chessboard, chessboard. Next is snake and ladder. Snake and ladder. Now quickly revise all the games. Jaldi se. Indoor games: Ludo, Carrom board, lawn tennis, table tennis, badminton, target dart, snooker or billiard, chessboard, and snake and ladder. My dear children, this is your topic. Please, and your homework is you have to learn page number 37 and 38. That is indoor and outdoor game. For today, only this much. Keep smiling, keep loving, and keep enjoying your study. See you, GK, in the next week. Bye bye. Take care. Love you, lot. Bye bye. Take care.